Hello teacher and everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about my research proposal. In my learning process in CTU as an English major, I find that there are many EFL learners who are still lost in the way to learn English. That is what I can feel them, because that is also how I used to face in the start of my learning English journey. Especially, speaking and listening skills require a long time of practicing, but practicing isn't enough. In my opinion and from my experience, we need to seek what way or method is actually effective to us to be successful in conquering this language. As I'm studying English major, I find that many students, including myself, tend to struggle with listening English more than speaking, reading, and writing skills. We cannot catch up with what native speakers when they speak naturally. This problem is very common in any EFL learner's process of learning English, which causes them to feel impatient and unmotivated. Wotipon 2014 indicated that learning from video encouraged and motivated students more than following activity in a textbook. Therefore, I come up with this researching about the impact of English video on EFL learners' listening skills. Since videos can provide perfect context and the environment for improving listening skills, to find out if this method helps in our listening comprehension. So, my research title is Impacts of English Video on EFL Learners' Listening Skills in Hoa and Campus. The purpose of this research is to convey EFL students' perception on the impact of English video on improving their listening skills. And from there, the result would come out to answer if it is effective, how it is effective, and what factors making them to choose a video for practicing listening. To satisfy the purposes of this research, I have put 3 research questions. The first research question is, how do EFL learners choose an English video for practicing listening skills? The second question is, how video help in listening skills of EFL learners in Hoa and Campus? And the last research question is, what makes the video an effective method to improve listening skills? The research question number 1 will tell me the factor making EFL learners select video for improving their listening skills. And the second question will tell me the effectiveness of practicing listening through videos. And the last research question will help me to discover what makes English video an effective method to develop English listening skills based on their perception. From what I know is that listening is significant in the process of acquiring a language, because the first step of newborn babies in acquiring a language is listening to everyone around them. Then they start to understand, then they learn to speak, then learn to write and read later. So if we fail in this first step or giving up in this first step, we won't be able to actually learn and use the language. Therefore, one of the biggest factors making our listening skills not good is that we lack of English environment, and English videos can be applied perfectly to be an English environment to practice listening English, since it helps to create a real-life context. There have been researchers done about this topic before. Damron, LêPhãmBãoQuyên, and Stevenson, 2013, conducted a study on enhancing listening skills through movie clips on YouTube. The study revealed the majority of students strongly or slightly agree that the use of English movie and TV clips was more effective than textbook CD, and that the clips helped them to develop their listening comprehension and understand English vocabulary and phrases better. Woodipon, 2014, conducted a study on concerning the effect of using video materials in the teaching of listening skills for university students. The result revealed the students' listening skills improved significantly after learning with English videos, and they also had positive attitudes toward using videos in teaching listening skills. Kim, 2015, conducted a study on using authentic videos to improve EFL students' listening comprehension. The study indicated that the students' listening skills of intermediate and advanced proficiency groups improved significantly after learning with videos, and their listening comprehension improved much better than those of the low proficiency group. Students' perception toward using video resources for practicing listening skills were positive. The data collection instrument I could use to gather the data and how I view the instrument is that I could create a questionnaire and use responses section on Google Forms site to collect and gather quantitative data from participants who had answered my questionnaire. The items in the questionnaire are synthesized by what I've read and from my own experience. The participants of my study are 30 English students of English Studies major of 44th course in Hoa campus. Because my research topic is related to English listening comprehension, so I would like to select participants who are English learners or EFL learners around me, because they surely have experience with learning English and most likely involved with practicing listening skills through videos, so that they would be able to provide the information that I want. So that's pretty much about my research proposal. Thank you for listening.